flame. Thank you very much.
Special kind of crazy, a special kind of good to be nominated together. Am I right?
Very much so, yeah. Both of us were really surprised.
Project as well.
Yeah, right?
We were just surprised and really grateful. I can't believe it. That was the most surprising thing of the day.
Yeah.
It really was.
Top duo?
Yeah.
I don't think we even knew it could even happen.
I didn't even know it was eligible.
That
It
part.
was unbelievable.
Right?
We were like, I thought that was 4 years ago.
I will take it. I will take it.
We're so grateful. Yeah.
Singapore is unreal.
Yeah.
Y'all look fantastic tonight. Please tell me about these looks.
Tom Brown, Vivian
Westwood.
Come on.
You know, a little naughty, a little grown.
Yeah. I mean, I see the
Revealing.
hip is out.
The hip is out, a little cheek. You
Yeah.
know.
The hip is hippie.
The hip is hippie.
You know? Okay, you gotta.
Well,
This one's really great. The story behind this one.
thank you. Well, I've been doing a lot of vintage on this tour so far. This is Vintage Givenchy by Alexander McQueen, and then
Yeah.
this one is Gilbert Adrian, who did the original costumes for The Wizard of Oz.
Yes.
And then this stunning diva.
So we've been trying to lean into her grownness. I feel like she's kind of grown and sexy. So it's been steering very, very dark.
Yeah.
So this is a custom Prada, and this was a custom deal that was basically done 2 days before we wore it.
It's unreal.
Just
Unreal.
playing.
It's such a fun piece of the
Yeah.
puzzle to be able to extend the story with fashion and with
Yeah.
our stylists,
Yes.
Law and Jason. We love them.
My question is, with the Eternal Sunshine tour coming up, is there maybe another opportunity to extend this story, maybe on stage with a little bit more music?
I was told to come and sing.
She was told.
I said I'm gonna come and visit. She
Right.
said to sing.
You said you don't be clocking in.
I'm not one to tell, but I told.
I know that's
I
right.
said, please come. I said, you are coming. Please come.
And sing.
And
Yeah.
sing.
I said, okay.
Okay, no problem.
Fine.
You'll
Indeed.
have to be there.
Yeah, indeed. You know it. You know it. And we'll see you tomorrow. We got something very special for you tomorrow.
Oh my God.
Something very special. I cannot wait. I love you right back. GQ Man of the Year.
Yes!
Yeah, you know.
nothing.
That is a little thing.
Just a little
A little thing.
The coolest thing ever that's ever happened in the world.
Right?
Well deserved.
Man of the
on.
Year is hilarious.
Let's
so.
go.
You said, I love that look you just said. You
This
said,
is my favorite.
Hello.
Exactly.
we have a
We
little
love
bit of fun.
progress.
We love progress.
Yes,
We do.
we need it. We require it.
I love y'all so much.
We do. She's the man of the year. And up next year as well.
It's true. And should be. Raining.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ariana, what are you doing here? I told Ariana that I was getting offline. And now she's stalking me. Oh my God. Ari, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna die. Chapter of Wicked for good!
Wicked means a history of love.
About coming together.
So excited for everyone to finally see the movie.
Thank you for being here today with us.
I mean, from the very beginning,
Yeah.
it's felt really special.
Yeah. I think that we've had many moments
Yeah.
you know what I mean? I think that the time that we've spent getting to know one another, learning one another, being there for one another and with each other, I think that's what's telling us that we're found life.
It's not ending. It's going to be with us forever. We're grateful. And we're grateful to be in Singapore with
Absolutely.
our fans here. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Happy days are here again.